Hi there and welcome to this video series on cryptology and cryptanalysis. In this video we're going to look at the download and install process for getting Python 3.3 and the Python hacking scripts that will enable us to do encryption and decryption of our messages. Okay, so the tools that we're going to use today are: we need to download and install Python 3.3. That's the Python programming language. We can get that from this web address. These web addresses will be in the description box on the video on YouTube. We also need to use the Python hacking tools. These can be downloaded from inventwithpython.com, and going to hacking and source, you can download these source files from there. These links will also be in the YouTube description box. So let's go and have a look at python.org so we can download the Python 3.3 programming language interface. So here we are at the python.org website. This is the home page that you'll come to when you type in that address. On the left hand side you'll see the download tab. Click on that. You'll then come to the download screen where you can download various different versions and programs with different architectures of your computer. Now the architecture is the process that your computer runs on. It could be x86, 64-bit or 32-bit. So how do you find out which one your computer is running on? That's quite simple. Go down to the toolbar at the bottom, click on Start, go to your control panel, go to System, and in the middle somewhere you should have the system type and then your operating system. And on my computer I have a 64-bit operating system. You may have 32-bit operating system. Okay, so now we know what our architecture is and operating system is for our computer. Close that screen. We would need to download this one, x84 64-bit MSI installer Python, and we're using Windows machine. Okay, if you have anything different, you need to download this link for Windows binary. This one will work on 32-bit operating system. If you have a Mac, you can download these operating Python scripts that work on your operating system. Okay, so once you click on this link here, you can save it and it will come as a zip package, or it may give you the option to install the program straight away. So once you've installed it, if you go to your start menu, all programs, scroll all the way down, it's in alphabetical order, so if you click on Python 3.3, you get some more programs here. You get the option to uninstall it, read the Python manuals, you get a command line, module documents, and you get the Python GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface, and that's what we're going to be using to get the program started. Okay, we'll come back to that in a minute. What we need to do now is we need to go and get the Python hacking tools from Invent with Python. So let's go and have a look at that right now. Now we've typed in the Invent with Python hacking and source in the address bar, we come to this page. Now here we have the individual files that you can download and use to do your hacking, the encryption ciphers. You can download them individually, but it's just easier to download all the source codes and put them in a folder on your desktop, which is what I've done here. See, there we go, there's all the Python scripts that we're going to be using in this video series. Oh, that's my son, by the way. So we've got the Python downloaded and installed. We now have the hacking source scripts installed on our computer. Let's see what happens and what it looks like when we start the program up. Let's go to Start, All Programs, navigate down to Python, click on Idle Python GUI, and you should get this screen come up. Okay, this is like the home screen for Python when you start scripting. If we want to use any of the Python scripts that we've downloaded, if you click on open, and then you need to navigate to where your Python scripts are. It could be in your document folder, it could be on your desktop like mine is. It could be in another folder within your documents. As long as you navigate to it and find your Python files, you should be fine. Okay, you can click on any of these files to get going. You've got Caesar ciphers, you've got find ciphers, frequency analysis. We've got simple subciphers, transposition, detect, decrypt, encrypt, Vigenère ciphers, RSA ciphers, reverse ciphers. All these things will help you encrypt and decrypt encryption ciphers for when you want to hide messages or send messages that are encrypted so no one else can read them, unless they know what they're doing and they have access to these scripts. They won't be able to unscramble the messages. Okay, if you have any questions, leave me a comment below the video, and yeah, if you need any help, just send me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.